Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making twisted donuts. So I had a sugar donut craving these past few days and thought to myself, why not make some twisted donuts with a sugar coating? The dough is quite simple and straightforward to make, especially if you are using a freestanding mixer. Let me show you how fun it is to make these yummy twisted donuts. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 900 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 pouches of instant dry yeast. Give it all a quick mix and form a well in the center. Add in the 500 milliliters of lukewarm milk, 2 eggs, 60 grams of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start by beating on low speed until the flour is incorporated. Turn your mixer to high speed and beat this until the dough comes together and no longer sticks to the sides of your bowl. This will take around 10 minutes. If your dough is still quite sticky after 10 minutes, then go ahead and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, but not more, please. As you can see, my dough is no longer sticking to the sides of my bowl. I beat mine for exact 10 minutes. I'm now going to turn my dough out onto a clean, lightly floured surface. I'm just going to knead it again for a few minutes just to make sure that it's really smooth and elastic. Transfer your dough into a lightly greased bowl and cover it with plastic wrap and a kitchen towel. I'm going to proof this for 1 hour until it has doubled in size. This is how my dough looks like after 1 hour. I'm just going to punch it down and transfer it onto a floured surface. I'm also going to quickly knead this again before starting to form our twisted donuts. We are now going to divide the dough into equal pieces. I like to weigh my dough pieces to make them look more uniform, but you can just also eyeball this. My dough pieces are around 90 grams each. This will make about 17 large twisted donuts. I'm just going to flatten my dough piece by using a rolling pin. Now roll it into a log just like so. My log is 40 centimeters long. Fold the log in half and loop each end around the other, just like so. Squeeze the ends together and that's pretty much it. Place your twisted donuts on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and cover them with a clean kitchen towel. Let them rise for 30 minutes until they have doubled in size. In a deep frying pan, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the 250 grams of sugar into a wide dish for our sugar coating. So my twisted donuts are now ready to be fried. Dip a wooden skewer into the oil. When many bubbles begin to form around the skewer, the oil has reached the perfect temperature. Fry each donut for about 3 minutes on each side or until they turn golden brown. Evenly coat the donuts with the sugar mixture while they're still hot, simply like this. So these are my beautiful sugar-coated twisted donuts. The outside of my donuts have a nice crunch and the inside is light and soft. These are perfect with a cup of fresh brewed coffee or hot cocoa. I really hope that you will give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Take care and see you next time. Bye!